Kia ora and welcome to another Logan and Tim video. Today I'm going to show you an apartment. Not just any apartment, our apartment. This is a KiwiBuild property. So this is a government run program to provide affordable housing. Come check it out. So let's start where it's sensible, in the lobby. Here's our door. So the first thing you come in on is this entranceway. Just a little space to put some shoes, pop a hat away, and check yourself in the mirror, which we have not installed. From here there are two options. You can go down this hallway to the bedrooms, or down here into the lounge. Let's check the lounge out first. So the first thing you'll notice is we've got a little digital piano, which is very cute, and we're working on a little bit of an art wall. But that's not quite finished yet, so more updates to come on that. Then you come into the kitchen dining room. Here we have a medium-sized table that seats 4 people comfortably, or even up to 6, and you can extend it out and make it into like a big banquet table. Kitchen-wise, it's a lot what you'd expect from a new apartment. It's modern, it's clean, it's good. It's a really good size for an apartment. We're quite happy with it. Lots of storage here and all the way above, and enough counter space to do what you need to do. Full-sized oven, full-sized cooktop. I installed the spice rack, which is a bit dodgy, it might fall over. We got a dishwasher included, and we got the fridge included in the price as well. Over to the living room. Here we have some more storage for cookbooks and for blankets. We've got a 3-seater couch. We've got some more sort of casual seating arrangements and a big coffee table. It's a really nice living space. It's big enough for us. Hello, puss. Say hello to YouTube. Hello. She's not interested. On the side we have like an entertainment unit, and we've got our hi-fi system, which is mostly hidden away behind this IKEA unit. Just a nice way to tuck everything away. Let me keep all our games in here. Off the living room is access to a toilet. So this is just a single toilet on its own. And there's a basin and there's a mirror, and there's a place to keep a plant, which is super cute. We keep a world map where we kind of set out some of our goals of the places we'd like to travel to. In here is one of the bedrooms. This is a 3-bedroom apartment. So this bedroom, because it's off the living area, we figured it'd make a nice sort of extra living space, study, studio. So this is where we film for KiwiVision, for example. So through here, back into the living space, we'll head down this hallway and I'll show you the other bedrooms. So this here is our guest bedroom. It's actually pretty much the same size as the other one. So it's a medium-sized sort of room. You can fit a double bed and still have space for a little dresser, but you'll see it is basically pushed up against the wall. Here we have a double closet for the clothes to go into. In here is the main bathroom. So this is just a functional sort of bathroom. We've got a shower, we've got a toilet, and we've got a nice basin unit. Across here is a little laundry nook. So this one we kind of got lucky with. Most of the apartments just get a cupboard, but we managed to get this little room, so we were able to fit all our linen and the hot water cylinder. And once all that's on, you can just close this door and forget about it. Here is Logan's favorite mirror, which I think is really beautiful. And this is our bedroom. Hello, puss. This is Phoebe. So in here is a similar size to the other rooms. It's not any bigger than the other 3, but it's plenty to get a queen size bed in, bedside tables. As far as clothes storage goes, it all goes into this double closet. So we've got an IKEA unit where we've, got our clothes stored, and we use the other side here for everything that's hung up. Nice big windows in every room. Hey Phoebe. Smile for the camera. you enjoyed that quick tour. So to get into the nuts and bolts of things, KiwiBuild is a program run by the government, but it's in collaboration with developers, where they potentially get a cheaper deal on the land, but they have to offer housing at a fixed price. So at the time we did it, the cap was $650,000, was the most they could charge. I know that sounds like a lot of money, but here in Auckland, that's actually quite cheap, especially if you find your way into a decent sized 2 or 3 bedroom property. To buy a KiwiBuild, you need to meet certain criteria, but due to the program not being quite as successful as they had hoped, they slowly increased the income cap so that it actually made it quite obtainable for a lot of people, even if you both work professional jobs. To apply for a KiwiBuild, you've got to go onto their website, prove that you meet their criteria, and then they'll make you an approved buyer. Then you can start applying to buy houses. Sometimes they are like a lottery, like a draw. Ours wasn't. Ours was first in, first served. So as soon as they were listed, I was in touch with them within a few days, and we made quite a hasty decision to choose this apartment. At first I had chosen another one, and then Logan vetoed me and chose this one, and he was right. We chose a really awesome one that's on the corner, it's in the quiet side of the complex, and it's got a great little garden for our kitty cats. This apartment is located in Point England in Auckland, so we're about 16 kilometres from the Auckland central city, and there is a train line that is a short walk from our apartment that takes us right into Britomart. So that was a big draw card for us. It means we can go out into the city, have a nice dinner, have a few drinks, and take the train home, which is really affordable and really easy. There's also the Point England Reserve and a lot of amenities around here. We've actually lived in this area for many, many years, in this apartment for 1 year. Another thing we love about this complex is it's pet friendly, so we were able to bring our cats from our previous house. So you might be wondering, what are some of the potential downsides to buying a KiwiBuild apartment? Well, I can't think of that many. We didn't get air conditioning pre-installed, so that's something we'll have to add at a later date. And also the parking in the complex was not included, so we had to pay an extra $30,000 for a car park. But all in all, I think for the value we got, we couldn't have beaten it. It's one of the best decisions we've made. We paid the maximum price tag, which was $650 plus a $30,000 car park, so $680,000 in total. But when we went to close on this, we had to have it valued for the bank, and we got a valuation of $880,000. So we were $200,000 better off just by buying it. The market's been a bit sketchy since then, so I wouldn't suspect it's worth anything like that right now. But we've at least got the security knowing that our equity is still here, even though the market is crashing a little bit, and our mortgage is as small as it possibly could be. Had we gone all in on a townhouse and paid over $1 million, I think Logan and I both would be feeling very stressed right now with high interest rates, and also not feeling like we want to be shackled to our jobs forever. We may want to travel more, we may want to see more of the world. So I think keeping your mortgage low and serviceable is really to your benefit. If you have any questions about our apartment or the process, feel free to comment below. I'll try and help as much as I can. If you enjoyed watching this video and want to support us, the best way you can do that is to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Until next time, see ya!